Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Lacarla. Good morning.
Good morning.
So she just flew into town and getting ready for a hair transplant. Tell us what brought you to Natural Transplants and tell us about your history of your hair loss.
Okay, what brought me here is traction alopecia. It came from being young and just doing my hair on my own, not really knowing what I was doing, and just making poor decisions for my hair back to back. Again, not knowing what exactly I was doing, and it led to severe traction alopecia hair loss. I've been dealing with this since I was about 11 years old. I had some braids that the takedown, I took them down completely wrong, and it stripped my hair. Just over time, I tried to get it to come back, and it just never happened. It never worked. So fast forward to, yes, I've been dealing with this for a very, very long time. Probably about 20 years now, and that's a very long time. And just as a young woman and just getting older, you want your hair to look nice. You wanna feel pretty, and that's something that you don't really want to worry about. And so that's where I am now. I recently had a birthday 3 months ago, and I decided that I'm ready to actually do something about my appearance. Just being very self-conscious about the hair loss, and it's just not something that I want to continue to worry about. I've been worrying about it. It's always in the back of my mind. It's always there. It kind of sucks, and it's just you feel like you're hiding in a way, and that just isn't something that I wanted to continue to do. I want to be able to worry about other things that are not as. This is a minor thing, but it's so major at the same time. And so, yeah, I just decided that I want to do something about it. Did my consultation. I'm here now with Dr. Siegel, and I'm ready to get my journey going.
And definitely this is something that's been on your mind since 2020. You reached out to us then, and now we are in 2023. So we've got a nice large area on both the left and right side, but we are going to really jam pack it as tight as we can. You have beautiful 4C coarse type of hair, so really excited to start working with it. And we're going to check up with you during the entire day, take pictures throughout and videos throughout. So let's start drawing things out and have a great day.
Nice.
So I'm back with Lacarla. We've drawn out the hairline, and we went ahead and used your edges to our advantage. We're pretty much mimicking your natural hairline work, starting a little bit behind it. But how is that process? Pretty easy?
Super easy, super easy. I'm glad that we were able to keep my natural hairline and not recreate something completely different and just starting from scratch. I'm liking it so far, and we're progressing.
Sounds good. Let's keep on following you. So again, this is Lacarla, and we just finished your procedure. What an amazing day. We started the taping in the first part. We'll mix it together. Nice. And but overall, you were fantastic. We had a great lunch together. I jam-packed. Your hair was so friendly. 4C, perfect type of hair to work with. Great density. So looking forward to beyond amazing results. You have my personal cell phone number, and if you ever need anything, you call me directly. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Lacarla. It's been an amazing, fantastic, terrific day, and look forward to results in at least maybe 8 to 9 months from now, but definitely in a year we'll definitely have a nice hairline, and you'll have your edges back.